Hi students, today we are starting our next topic, that is mosses. Liverwort already we have completed. Now mosses. They are found in green patches forming velvet like green carpet on the damp wall, shady, moist place and on the trunks of the tree. We know that shady means they are present in the areas where more shade is coming. Damp wall, if wall is wet, there they are present and they are forming green color patches, and sometimes they are present on the trunks of the tree. We know on the big tree brown color structure is present on the stem, that is known as the trunk. They are called terrestrial amphibians as they need water layer on the surface of the soil. Terrestrial amphibians means they are present on the land but they can survive on land as well as on water. Water is needed for swimming of male gametes to reach the archegonia. Archegonia means female gamete. Means water is required for the movement of the male gamete so that they can reach to the female gamete. They have absence of roots. They have absence of vascular system, means xylem phloem, cuticle. They have absence of mechanical tissue. Mechanical tissue means in xylem, xylem parenchyma, xylem sclerenchyma, and in phloem, phloem parenchyma and phloem sclerenchyma. Plant body is consist of erect stem bearing leaves. They have the presence of leaves but stem is straight. Leaves are spirally arranged. Basal portion bears rhizoids. Rhizoids means roots which are attached to moss plant to the soil, and they help in absorbing water and minerals from the soil. They have absence of true stem and leaf. Rhizoids are multicellular. Multicellular means they are made up from more than one cell. Now we will see here, already this we have studied. You can see this is the moss plant, this is gametophyte, this is sporophyte. Now we will understand. Gametophyte means this is the area where gametes are present. It can be male and female gamete both. You can see leaves, between the leaves gametes are present. And this is the main axis and these are the rhizoids means roots. Now you can see this is the sporophyte. Here this is the capsule. Inside the capsule presence of spores are there, and it is known as sporophyte because it bears spores. You can see this is the seta and this is rhizoid, gametophyte and sporophyte. In sphagnum plant we will see this is the archegonial branch. Archegonial means female branch, female gametophyte is present. Same plant has antheridial branch also. You can see above, this is antheridial branch, this is archegonial branch, and these are simple branches. Means from here female gametophyte will come out, here male gametophyte will come out. So this is the plant of moss and this is the plant of sphagnum. Here gametophyte and sporophyte both are present in mosses, and here only we can see gametophyte. Today whatever I have taught you, I am sending you its PDF. Thank you.